Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to our first episode of goat racing at NDC Goat Farm. For our first episode, I'll be discussing about goat racing 101. But before that, let me give you some tips on goat racing. Remember that the optimum potential of a goat as one of the main sources of 4Ms could be benefited by everyone. First is we have the manure. The goat dung can be used for fertilizer or fuel. Goat urine can be used as a pesticide. Second, milk. Milk has more nutrition compared to other cattles. It is highly digestible and causes less allergenic reaction compared to cow's milk. Third is we have the meat. Goat meat is lean, low in cholesterol, and economically to produce. And lastly, money. Goat skins can be tanned into leather and produce different products, and you may also sell your goats to other people so that they may raise it as well. So, the first important thing to consider when you are going to have your goat production is you would need to have the feedstuffs. On this picture, I'm showing you the gaway-gaway or katuray, which is the scientific name of Cisbania grandiflora. This is a fast-growing tree, and the leaves are regular and rounded, and the flowers could be white, red, or pink. So the fruit looks like flat, long, thin green beans, and the tree thrives under full exposure to sunshine and is extremely frost sensitive. So it is just a small, soft wooded tree up to 3 to 8 meters tall, and leaves are 15 to 30 centimeters, so that's approximately 6 to 12 inches long, with leaflets in 10 to 20 pairs or more, and an odd one. So this kind of tree is very easy to plant, and it is rich in calcium and protein for our goats. It is very important that if you're considering to have your goat production, that you would need to plant the food of your goats. So in this video, you will see how we plan to have our goats food, or the leafy vegetables that we are feeding them. So as you can see in the video, we have fenced our plants. It's because sometimes the goat might get inside and they will eat the leaves of the trees. So approximately for this area, we planted more than 20 trees of gaway-gaway. So for this one, it is very easy to plant. You'll just have to get some branch of gaway-gaway and then replant it. You can see that it's already blossoming, the leaves of the gaway-gaway or katura in our dialect. So this is just only on the other side of the farm, because we have planted a lot of katuray already on the other side of this farm. See, it is just very easy. Like in a couple of weeks, you will see that the leaves of katuray is already growing. So this is the other side of the farm where we have planted a lot of katuray already. And aside from that, we also have some banana trees that we planted. See that? So that's all for our first video of goat racing. So I only showed you on how to plant the feedstuffs for your goats. So you may also consider other feedstuffs such as banana, cacahuati, ipil-ipil, santan, and we have the paragrass and etc. po, because this will give you a lot of protein and nutrients for the goats. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will receive our notification and like our page on Facebook. Thank you so much and have a great day.